Hey, this is Ryan Hildreth, and in this video, I will be giving you a Udimi tutorial, and I will also be revealing my secret method for getting more sales in your business. All right, so we are logged in here on my Udimi account. Now, if you don't know what Udimi solo ads are, basically it's a network of providers. There's so many vendors on here that have huge email lists with targeted quality leads, okay? So imagine that. Imagine if you're selling a digital product, or maybe it's a digital product on Shopify or Amazon, or how to do social media marketing, or maybe you're doing affiliate marketing for some type of entrepreneurial software, or how to make money online, right? You can go to Udimi and access quality leads, people who will actually purchase what you have to offer, okay? And the way that I use Udimi to do that is I pick vendors, okay, high quality vendors on here that have email lists of 100,000 to multi-million subscriber email lists that are all interested in making money online or entrepreneurship or business opportunities, okay? So basically, Udimi is a platform where you can access other people's email lists. And I like to use Udimi. This is something that I use to launch one of my affiliate businesses, okay? And if you stay until the end of this video, I'm gonna reveal the top 3 Udimi vendors that I use. And I'm also gonna show you, the ins and outs of the business that I'm using, okay? So let's go ahead and dive deep on how to use Udimi. So the first link in the description is going to be where you can access Udimi, okay? And you're going to get a $5 coupon once you sign up with a profile. You're gonna get $5 to spend on more clicks on Udimi. But let's go ahead and go through here, and I'm gonna show you how I use Udimi and how you can find quality vendors that will give traffic to your website so you can get more sales, okay? Whether you're an affiliate marketer, or you have your own digital product, or you're promoting someone else's digital product, this is the best place to go to get free traffic, or to get traffic, paid traffic, but quality traffic that all of these people are interested in making money online or learning entrepreneurship or affiliate marketing and that type of stuff. So we're here on Udimi. I'm gonna pull up, this is a screenshot of literally the first week that I used Udimi. I was one of the top 10 purchasers on the platform. And this is because, I enjoyed the platform, I still do, and I was making so much money that first week that, I decided to reinvest all of it. And I, was top 10 on the buyers list. So they do have competitions as well, and they give bonuses and stuff, but as you can see, there are tons of people on here, okay? Scott, Jorge, Jonathan. These are all people with, if you read, let's just read Scott's bio, for instance. 27% reported sales. Compare here, the best deal. Tier 1, 100% traffic, okay? So basically, let's just say I wanted to get more leads to my website. I wanted to get more visitors to my website. Maybe I'm selling a digital product, or I'm doing affiliate marketing, or that type of stuff, right? I could go on Scott's profile, right? And I've never used Scott before, so you don't have to use him, or you could try him out. I've never personally used him, but we can go here and pay for 200 visitors, and these are qualified leads, right? These are qualified people that are interested in making money online, business opportunity, right? That type of stuff. And I could send them to my website, right? I have my website linked here. What I like to do is start off with 100 visitors. So, 100 visitors from Scott, since he's charging 40 cents per visitor, okay, that's gonna cost $43, right? Not that bad, considering that these 100 visitors are quality leads that are interested in making money online, okay? So imagine the opportunity there. Imagine what types of affiliate marketing you could do, what types of products you could promote. Maybe you have your own course or digital product that you can send traffic to. Udimi is the place to do it. So, I like to start off with 100 visitors and kind of test from there. How many opt-ins did I get? I like to see at least a 30% opt-in rate minimum from, each vendor, okay? So if I don't get a 30% opt-in rate, I don't purchase more visits from the vendor, okay? So you can choose how many visitors. Obviously, you know, with this person, you could go up to 850 per day, which is $343, or you could do a minimum of 50, which would be $23. And this is a great way to build your email list, to, you know, build some data if you're gonna run Facebook ads, right? Build that email list so you can import it into Facebook and start running Facebook ads as well. And that's basically what I did for one of my businesses that I'll show you at the end of this video. But how do we determine which solo ad vendors are quality to use? So we can go to Find Sellers, all right? I'm gonna click this button up here, and we can set the rating. So I like to use this got sales. So this isn't a surefire way to know that someone is going to get you sales, but it's a good indicator of proof that they've gotten sales for other people. So what I like to do is I'll press on this and I'll say that at least 30% of their, you know, the people that have purchased from them have gotten sales. That's what I like to see, 30% or more, and every vendor that I've used has had 30% or more, okay? Another thing is price. Now, I'm not gonna pay 95 cents per click. That's just a little high for me. So I like to do it anywhere from, you know, 40 to 65 cents, I would say max, okay? You can go 70 if you want, but nothing above that, okay? So you could change the price, right? So max price, I'll put 75 cents, or rather 70 cents, okay? And as you can see, out of, you know, all the vendors, there are 14 vendors that meet the criteria of 30% of their customers have gotten sales, and they charge less than 70 cents per click, okay, to the website. So as you can see, Cooch Tim, Damien, Indolus, Luke, Maurizio, right? These are all great vendors right here. And let's just say we wanna use, you know, Maurizio. He charges 65 cents per click. He has a 40% got sales rate, which is great, and 1,992 positive reviews, okay? So you can go, I would, you know, go into the profile, check their profile out, make sure that the reviews look good. If you can, you know, read this right here, 90% top tier traffic, 10 to 20% over delivery guaranteed. And I could stand by that because I have used Maurizio, and he does over deliver, okay? So as you can see, 100% make money online, internet marketing, MLM, BizOp, targeted clicks, okay? So if you're trying to run a weight loss offer, maybe you're an affiliate marketer and you run weight loss, this would not be the vendor for you, right? Because he says right here, it's for make money online, BizOp, you know, that's his list. His list is full of people who want to make money online or are seeking business opportunities, okay? So also make sure to define what type of product you're selling. If you're selling a physical product, maybe you find a different vendor, or if you're selling, you know, a make money online course or a Shopify course, something like that, then this would be perfect, okay? So as you can see, you don't need to provide anything other than the link to your website. Because what they're gonna do is they're gonna take your link and they're gonna blast it out to their email list. But they're gonna write their own copy because they know their list best and they know what their list responds to. So they're gonna write out the email. You don't have to write out the email. All you need to do is provide the link. They're gonna write it out, send it out to their email, and you're gonna see a flood of traffic come to your website. People opting in, people purchasing your product, and, you know, all of the above. So what I would do is start off with 100 visitors, right? For Maurizio, as you can see, is $68. I would go top tier, only top tier traffic, meaning US only, because you'll find that the best quality buyers will be in the United States. That's just how it works from the data that I've gathered. And, you know, you could even select only mobile, but I wouldn't. I would just say only top tier, and put your link and then add to cart. As you can see, top tier is $10 more, 78 bucks for 100 visitors. Now, once we figure this all out, we order our traffic to our website, we're gonna go to our sales funnel. And if you aren't using ClickFunnels, I highly recommend grabbing that as well. I'll put that in the link down below, okay? And this business right here is an affiliate business that I've started from the ground up just 2 months ago, okay? This isn't all the profits. I have PayPal connected as well, have a little over $8,000 on there, plus affiliate commissions. So this business has done around $27,000 in 2 months. But as you can see, you know, we can go ahead ahead and check what vendors are doing good. So I'll put in Udimi 1, and that is one of my secret vendors that I will reveal to you in just a moment. But I want to show you kind of how they're doing, okay? So what we're going to do, go on here, put the UTM source, or if you have a tracking link like ClickMagick, you can, obviously give your tracking link to the vendor so you can see exactly how many visits that you got, okay? But I'm doing this for this purpose once this loads up. And as you can see from this vendor alone, okay, I spent around 200 bucks and I got about $236 in pure profit, okay? Well, I would say $36 in pure profit, but on the back end, I'm selling an affiliate product. For every person that purchased, there's 8 people who purchased. Each one of those people, I'm gonna make at least $40 to $80 from each person. So that's pure profit on the back end. So I know that I'm profitable and I can spend more money on this particular solo ad vendor, okay? And as you can see, I got 335 opt-ins and tons of people that, made it to the training page of this funnel, okay? So what should we do? Now, who are the top vendors? Let me go ahead and go back to the main page, and I'm gonna show you exactly the vendors that I've used. So I'm gonna go to My Solos right here, and these are just some of the vendors. I'll load them all up, okay? But I highly recommend Mark Hayden, okay? Mark Hayden's gonna be number 1. Great quality traffic, very good service, and he over-delivers, okay? Kuj Tim Guga is another great vendor, probably the best one I've used, and I've gotten the most sales from, okay? I continue to use him as well, and Maurizio Pace. Those are the top 3, so if you wanna try out Udimi, again, the link will be the first link in the description. You'll get a $5 voucher so that you can, spend that on extra clicks to your website. Now, if you don't have anything to sell, let's say you don't have a physical product, you don't have a digital product, you don't even know where to start with affiliate marketing, I'm going to go ahead and link my business in the description. It's a done-for-you affiliate template, okay, that you can go ahead and download and start running traffic to and getting sales. It's already proven, as you've seen, I've showed you in the past slides, I've done over $27,000 with this business utilizing Udimi solo ads. This is something I've never showed here on my YouTube channel, but I wanted to share this with you because this is something that has worked for me. I continue to use it and I want to share with all of you. So hopefully this helps your business out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I'm gonna link a video right up here about more affiliate marketing strategies if you wanna watch that, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.